Did you know that Checkers has a brand new pub burger? Yeah, they do. We're going to check it out together right now. The new Pretzel Pub Burger. This place is open until 2 a.m. This one, barbecue pretzel, Buford. Everybody's into the pretzel. The pretzel buns now, it's a big thing.
How you doing tonight? Walking to Checkers?
Yeah, I did an online order for Sunny.
All right, come on down.
Thank you. Welcome to Sunny Reviews. Hey, I'm Sunny. What do? See it, smell it, taste it, rate it. And we have it right here. A pub burger from Checkers. And I got a deal. I'll tell you how I got it and how you can get it too. That's not the pub burger, by the way. This is called fries. Checkers fries. Checkers fries are amongst the best fast food fries in the business, okay? Let's just try one now. Why? What makes them so good? They're twice baked. That's what the deal is. That's the secret. A little barbecue action too for those yummy fries. Those fries are good. Definitely good. Okay, and now, no napkins. What the heck? Gotta ask for napkins. Look at this one. It's like the trifecta of fries. You're getting 2 reviews for the price of none today. This is the Summit Tropical Waves Pineapple and Starfruit Energy Drink. Try this as well, because you need something. Okay. Cheers. All right. Before we begin our pretzel bun journey, what do others think of it? Savory pub cheese flavor. The beer cheese and bacon crumble elevate it above a standard burger. But high fat sodium content. It's a heavy, indulgent burger that feels very unhealthy. Yikes. Unique pretzel bun. The soft, slightly chewy, and salty bun provides a distinctive texture, but inconsistent bun texture. Some reviewers cite the bun being dry or too hard or stale. Wow. Affordable indulgence. A relatively cheap way to get a pub-style meal on the go. But overreaction on toppings. The meat patties are sometimes thin or of low quality. All right, that hit the spot. It was like the perfect size for me. I don't feel way overboard, you know. I feel like it was just the right amount. I liked it. I mean, there is room for improvement, okay? It's not the best pub burger, but it is a decent pub burger for the price and for the value. I mean, it is a decent pub burger. Regardless of price, it's decent. It's not my favorite, but it was good. Yes, they could have a better bun. I mean, the pretzel bun, the whole point of the pretzel bun is to have a good pretzel bun. This pretzel bun stunk, but everything else about it worked. I'm going to give it a score between 1 and 10, 10 being the best, 7.3. 7.3, decent. It's a decent burger. All right, what do people think of this? 0 sugar, low calorie. Appeals to consumers looking for an energy boost without the sugar crash. But artificial taste. The tropical waves flavor can taste overly synthetic or chemical. High caffeine and vitamin count provides a significant functional energy boost, but limited availability. Being an Aldi store brand, it's not available everywhere, obviously. Refreshing tropical flavor. Pineapple and starfruit offer a fun, unique taste profile, but the energy drink aftertaste. Some users report a chalky or strange finish common with zero sugar drinks. Chalky? The chalkiness. Aftertaste, yes. 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 Still going. Still going. Very fruity smelling. Okay, here it is. Here it is. Oh, more fries. Fries are flying everywhere. All right, this is the pretzel bun. Okay, let's just pick it up and show you what we got here. And it's obviously it's a pretzel bun. You could tell by that signature little line there. So a lot of pretzel buns have two lines crossing each other. This one does one. Incidentally, pretzels have a lot to do with religion. There's a whole thing about religion. Maybe that's why they have the cross. I never thought about that before. All right, turn it on this side. You get two very, very, very thin patties. And in between the two patties, there is some cheese. Yes, there's some American cheese there. And on this side, okay, you get this more schmutz, all kinds of schmutz. You get these fried onion things, and you get this pub cheese. Not exactly sure what pub cheese is, but we got it here. And the onion things, they're not onion rings, they're onion things. They smell really good. Onion strings, some people might call them. All of it smells good. All right, lots of sauce, slathered in sauce. All right, let's take a bite and see if this is any good. Temperature-wise, it's not as hot as I would like. I like a burger to be hot. This is kind of like room temperature. Now, we did order ahead of time, and I was there actually before the time that it said would be ready. But nevertheless, it's not hot. The fries are hot, but the burger is not hot. There's lots of sauce on this. Sauce is dripping out. It's like the Niagara Falls of sauce here. It's a decent sauce, a little different, not what I'm used to. It's also a thick sauce. And the bun is kind of thick. It doesn't really remind me of a pretzel bun. It kind of reminds me of a hamburger bun, regular hamburger bun that's kind of in the shape to resemble a pretzel bun, but it doesn't really taste like a pretzel bun to me. Let's try these onion things on their own. They're good, but they could be better. They're a little mushy. I think it's hard, like a tushy. It's a little hard to maintain the crispiness. Once this bun is sealed and you got all that schmutz inside, how can anything stay crispy? Because it's, it's got the sauce. It's bathing in sauce. The sauce has got a unique flavor. I don't know what it is. I'll have to research it, but perhaps mushrooms. There's something there's something distinctive about it that you recognize it, but you can't place it. I'm guessing mushrooms. It's a pretty decent combination. Now, is it the best pub burger in the world? No, but I actually do have a list of where the best pub burgers are. I'll go through that in a minute. Some of the onion things are crispy, so it's kind of bizarre world. And how much do you think the pub burger cost? Anybody want to guess? They have various variations of this pub burger. This one is actually called the pretzel. This one is actually called the Pretzel Pubster, kind of like a little junior one. Because this one was only $3.99. I mean, $3.99 is a good price for this. Guess what those fries cost? Guess how much? Anybody want to guess? Large fries at Checkers, $4.50. So the fries cost more than the burger. But if you get the app, the fries are free. Free fries, so you get all of this for $4. Now, I don't really rate, I don't review, I don't include the price in my review. The review is strictly, the review is strictly see it, smell it, taste it, rate it. Nothing about price. Price, calories, that's on you. You figure that out for yourself. I can't tell you if you can afford it or not. I can't tell you if it's worth your calories or not. That's up to you. I wish the pretzel bun was more like an authentic pretzel bun. This is to me like a pretzel bun wannabe. You see, yeah, this to me looks like a regular. I don't taste anything unusual. I don't taste it. I'm not really tasting any pretzel bun action there. And look how thin these burgers are. They're super thin, but you get two of them, but still. It's actually better without the bottom bun. Just keep the top bun, flip it over, and you're set, because the patties are so thin, you want to taste it. And the two halves of the bun drown it out. Now this only has 10 calories. All right, 10 calories, that's nothing. Now, does it taste like, what is it? Does it taste like pineapple? No, definitely not. It tastes like some kind of citrus drink. I could never pinpoint it. If you blindfolded me and said, taste this and tell me what it is right now, I'll give you $1 million, I couldn't tell you. I would just guess. It's citrus. It's some kind of citrusy drink. That's all I could tell you if I was forced to guess. And I don't know what a starfish or stardust or whatever the heck it is called. I don't know what that tastes like anyway. All right, back to the fries. All right, here's some of the ingredients. The pretzel burger has beer cheese. What the heck is beer cheese? It's a rich, tangy, and savory pub flavored depth, but often high in saturated fat, sodium, and sometimes artificial flavors. What else I can tell you about this stuff? All right, are there any bugs in any of these things that I just got? Hope not. Bug burp. No, there are no bugs. There's no common intentionally included insect ingredients like cochineal or carmine derived from scale insects for red coloring or cricket mealworm powder.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun reviews.